The time has come to start filling in those Christmas wish lists, and today I'm back to share some inspiration for your own. Like every year, scrapbook.com has put together a holiday gift guide with lots of inspiration with products that you can gift to a crafty friend, or like me, you can kind of sneak in an email that you accidentally send to your friends and family. What? You got an email from me with lots of products on it? Really? I thought I sent it to myself. I do this all the time. One of the products in this year's gift guide is the Spellbinders Quick Trimmer. This includes a self-healing cutting mat, a guide with notches that are 1/4 of an inch apart from each other, and 2 blades. One of the blades is for paper and one is for foil, and you also will get some little pouches that you can use to store your blades safely. You can use this mat to cut strips of papers that you can then use in your projects, or you can even stamp a bunch of sentiments and trim them all out at once so that they are ready for your Christmas cards or any cards you're making, and this is especially handy if you do mass produce your cards. These are a couple of ways in which you can use this product, which are certainly helpful, but for me the really cool feature comes when we start dealing with foil. Foil is really fun, but it's also extremely delicate. It crimples very easily, and when it does, you get scratches that can potentially ruin your foiled projects. To me, this happens a lot when I try and cut it with scissors, and no matter how large your scissors, the foil will still fold while you cut it, and this will create those wrinkles and those scratches. Plus, I can never get a neat edge. I understand that this may not be a huge deal for everybody, but I am one who always cuts their paper with a trimmer because I really like to have those neat and clean edges, and being able to do that with foil makes my heart happy. What you need to do is to take your foil roll and gently roll it out on the cutting mat, and at this point you can use the plastic guide to determine where you want to cut your foil, and you will just use your foil blade to trim it out. This will give you a clean cut with no scratches or wrinkles, and using this trimmer will also reduce waste because you can easily measure your foil, for example against a hot foil plate that you're planning on using on your project. When I have a tool which has multiple components like this one, I like to have a storage solution that keeps them all together, and I found that the large envelopes by scrapbook.com are just the perfect size for it. You can store your mat, you can store your plastic guide and your blades all together. This way you can store your envelope wherever it's convenient in your craft room, and when you want to use your quick trimmer, you're just going to grab the envelope and you have everything at hand. Speaking of storage, here's a video that you need to check out because I found the perfect way to store not only distress oxide inks but also the blending sponges. And if you're looking for more inspiration for your Christmas wish list, here's also a playlist with card making supplies that I think are worth checking out. As always, thank you all so much for stopping by and have a great day.